A mass wedding ceremony for the underprivileged has been planned as part of the pre-wedding celebrations for Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. It will be organized in Palghar district, Maharashtra, according to a picture of the invitation. As part of the pre-wedding celebrations of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant, a mass wedding of the underprivileged has been organized at 4:30 p.m. on the 2nd of July at Swami Vivekanand Vidyamandir in Palghar. Nita or Mukesh Ambani are contributing toward this noble cause. The invitation for the mass wedding read, as part of the pre-wedding celebrations of Anant Ambani or Radhika Merchant, a mass wedding of the underprivileged has been organized. It also mentioned, Nita or Mukesh Ambani are contributing towards this noble cause and will also grace the occasion along with family. We would be delighted if you could join us in witnessing this celebration of love. Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant, the businessman Viren Merchant's daughter, are being married on July 12 at Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex at the Jio World Convention Center. The event is expected to be a fusion of Hindu Vedic heritage and modernity, with carefully orchestrated ceremonies. The Shubh Vivah ceremony, which encourages visitors to wear traditional Indian clothes, will kick off the major celebrations on July 12. Shubh Ashirwad will take place on July 13 and Mangal Utsav, the wedding reception, will take place on July 14 to wrap up the festivities. There is a dress code of Indian chic that guests must follow. Anant Ambani Radhika Merchant pre-wedding festivities. Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's pre-wedding festivities have been nothing short of spectacular. The inaugural Jamnagar festival included performances by international superstars like Rihanna and was attended by leaders from all around the world. A Mediterranean cruise was the second event, and it was as magnificent. The trip, which had a guest list of 12,050, included performances by Backstreet Boys, Katy Perry and Pitbull in addition to several thrilling events including a toga party and masquerade ball.